increasing armament may be checked. The apparent failure of the meetings in London last spring was most disappointing. My government are most anxious that effective pressure be maintained upon Disarmament Commission to be unrelenting in its efforts to lessen the frightful burden of armament and military preparations. I therefore most cordially welcome the substantial contribution to the general debate yesterday of the Soviet delegation, as well as the proposal of the American Secretary of State for the international development of peaceful uses of atomic energy and the addition of the resulting agenda item to that effect. Ethiopia hopes that effective step forward in this field may lead to a relaxation of tension in the military field. But quite as important is the hope that international consideration of the possible use of this vast new resource of power and energy in close relation to the development of power and energy requirements of the industrial undeveloped regions of the world may provide a stimulus to creative thinking and scientific research, and could truly usher a new era of international collaboration and international economic development. The delegation will accordingly press for the establishment of effective and substantial international economic instruments and agencies for the expansion of not only technical assistance, but for the financing and promoting of the basic development of the underdeveloped areas of the world. My delegation remains convinced that there is closest connection between the effectiveness of collective security under the Charter and the climate of economic development throughout the world. The same boldness and willing assumption of great risk that crowned the organization's successful application of the principle of collective security must characterize its approach to the interrelated problem of technical assistance and economic development. Of the Charter. I am confident, Mr. President, that in this year of great calm but higher tension in the affairs of the world, we shall make the best possible use of the calm afforded to us, and shall at the same time be urged to our task by the tension that surrounds us. Thank you.